Here's this Carrier TECH2000 central air conditioner.
A little TECH2000.
It's got a scroll on it.
It's a heat pump, I think.
Look, they got a fan motor down there.
I believe it. Wait, what?
Look at that.
Oh my god, there's a whole ass condenser motor just in the bottom of the unit. What the hell? I think this is a heat pump.
Is this? No, I don't see a reversing valve.
Has been running, I believe. It's in 1992. It's a CKB, so it's not a heat pump.
For some reason, they tend to put the suction accumulators even in the straight cool condensers.
I think
Not sure why they do that.
Commercial models. This is a 3-phase.
Have a look at the data sheet here. This is a 92 TKB, 5 ton. So this is a straight cool unit. Central air conditioner, yeah. And this is a Lennox commercial unit. Line is sweaty, so it's been running. 2005, 7.5 ton. And there's a Carrier split system right there, commercial split system. From 2009. We got an Odyssey. Newer Trane Odyssey. Oh no, this ain't newer. That looks newer though. It's from 2007. This is a 10 ton. Huge compressor.
Trane.
PTAC.
Big beast. Alright.
I don't know what kind of compressor that is down there. Some moss on the coil right there. That ain't no good. Guess that'll be it.